Hey y'all, and welcome to the Birmingham real estate market update. This is the 65th week of us going through and looking at the Birmingham real estate market in terms of the statistics around inventory and sales and pricing and everything that has to do with the Birmingham real estate market and what's going on in our market. My name is Rob Drum. I'm a real estate broker at eXp Realty and team leader of the Birmingham Investments Group. I'm doing a webinar today at 3 o'clock. So this is today at 3 o'clock. You can sign up for that at robert.h.drum/webinar. And we're just talking about investing in the Birmingham market, strategies, neighborhoods, what to look out for, kind of how to plan for investing in Birmingham real estate. So you can sign up for that again at robdrum.us/webinar. And let's get started on the numbers for today. We had 449 closings last week. That compares to 597 same week the previous year. And that it's kind of running. You can see here all through July, we had a slower rate of sales compared to July of last year, which is interesting. So next week when I do the numbers for all of July, we will see lower number of sales. It'll be interesting to see how listings and prices have changed in the month of July. And inventory has also kind of been a story. I'm starting to see it on national headlines that inventory is slowly creeping back up, which is not at all a sign that the market's prices are going down or anything like that, but I think it is a sign that the market is starting to return to normal from the kind of bizarro world we've been in for the last 14, 15 months. And so you can see, again, this week we have more listings available than we did last week. We're up about 600 or 700 higher than the bottom of that active listings number for the whole period. So really bouncing back clearly, and number of homes under contract to sell is kind of staying consistent here. So next week when we get the numbers for all of July, we should have some really interesting things to look at. I'm curious to see how prices were affected and also days on market have been looking for July. The 30-year mortgage index is something we've been watching just as kind of a barometer of this recovery. If these rates start to tick up, your dollar, your mortgage payment dollar for every month doesn't go quite as far. So what used to buy you a $300,000 house might only buy you a $280,000 house. And so as this rate goes higher, it could start to build up maybe even more inventory, start to really change what we're seeing in the market. So we're keeping an eye on that. Basically unchanged this week from 2.78 to 2.8. And so again, thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. I would love it if you guys would subscribe to this channel. That really means a lot to me, helps our ratings in YouTube, all that good stuff. If you're interested in investing in Birmingham real estate, you can sign up for the webinar today. It's today at 3 p.m. and we'll walk you through kind of how we work and how we can help you get invested in our Birmingham real estate market. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you next week.